Good morning, students. In the last lecture, we have seen the here buffer solution, types of buffer solution, then preparation of buffer solution, and also we had seen the mechanism of the buffer action. Now today, in this chapter, I am going to teach you the solubility and solubility product, molar solubility, relation between solubility and solubility product. Then also we have to see the conditions for the precipitation. Now let's start what is meant by solubility, or what is the definition of solubility. The solubility is the molar concentration of the substance into its saturated solution at a given temperature. Molar concentration of a substance into its saturated solution at a given temperature is called as the solubility, or it can also be defined as the sparingly soluble salts in its saturated solution is called as the solubility, and this solubility is denoted by capital S, and it is expressed in mole per liter. What is the definition of solubility? The sparingly soluble salts in its saturated solution is called solubility, and this solubility is denoted by S, that is a capital S, and expressed in mole per liter. Then what is meant by solubility product? The product of the molar concentration of ions, product of the molar concentrations of the ions of sparingly soluble salt raised to their appropriate power in a saturated solution at a given temperature is called solubility product. Is called solubility product. Or the concentration of the ions in its saturated solution, concentration of the molar concentrations of the ions in its sparingly soluble salts is called as the solubility product, and this solubility product is denoted by Ksp. Suppose here AgCl is a strong electrolyte, hence the quantity of AgCl that dissolves in water is dissociated completely and to gives Ag plus and Cl minus ions. A dynamic equilibrium is established in between. Dynamic equilibrium is what? This reversible as well as, so the forward as well as backward arrow is represented there. And therefore here a dynamic equilibrium is established in between undissociated solid AgCl. This is the undissociated solid AgCl and dissolved ions. That means what? Ionic form of the AgCl. And this equilibrium is called as the solubility equilibrium, and it is represented as whenever this AgCl is dissociated into Ag plus Cl minus. And this Ag plus and Cl minus is a ionized molecules, and this is AgCl is a unionized molecules. Then here this AgCl is dissociated into Ag plus Cl minus. By applying the law of mass action to this equilibrium reaction at equilibrium constant K is written as, whenever we apply the law of mass action to this equilibrium reaction, then equilibrium constant K is equal to product upon reactant. This is the product and this is what? Reactant. Therefore, this K is equal to product, that is concentration of Ag plus concentration of into concentration of Cl minus and divided by concentration of AgCl. That means what? This Ag plus and Cl minus are the product and this AgCl are the reactant, and therefore the AgCl is a constant. AgCl is a constant, and then new constant in place of AgCl is equal to K dash. Then then this equation can be written K is equal to concentration of Ag plus into concentration of Cl minus upon K dash. Now this K into K dash, this one K into K dash is equal to concentration of Ag plus into concentration of Cl minus. K into K dash is equals to concentration of Ag plus into concentration of Cl minus. Then in place of this K into K dash, the new equilibrium constant is formed, and that constant is called as the solubility product. That is Ksp. Therefore, here product of the concentration of ions in a saturated solution. Product of the concentration of ions in a saturated solution is called as the solubility product, and this solubility product is denoted by Ksp, and therefore Ksp is equal to this one, concentration of Ag plus into concentration of Cl minus. अलग लक्षात तुमच्या solubility and solubility product, definition of solubility and definition of solubility product. अलग लक्षात, the solubility is denoted by capital S and solubility product is denoted by Ksp. Then here for general salt solubility equilibrium, suppose here we consider the general example BXAY. It dissociate into XBY plus aqueous plus YAX minus. BXAY dissociated into XBY plus YAX minus. Here Y plus and X minus are the ions. And this B and A are the elements, and this X and Y are the coefficients. So here the solubility product is what? Ksp. The Esp is equal to ions. That is what? B raised to Y plus, and this coefficient goes to the power. As in this coefficient is goes to its power. This coefficient is goes to its power, that is X. And here Ax minus, and this coefficient is goes to its power. Therefore, here Ksp is equal to concentration of B raised to Y plus to the power X, and concentration of A raised to X minus to the power Y. So definition of Ksp is the product of the equilibrium concentration of the constituent ions raised to the power equal to the stoichiometric coefficients in balanced equation at a given temperature. That means that this is the balanced equation. Here X and Y are the coefficients, stoichiometric coefficients, and B and A are the elements, and Y plus and X minus are the ions. Therefore, here Ksp is equal to B raised to Y plus, and this X coefficient is goes to its power. Then A X minus, and this Y is the Y coefficient of this Y coefficient goes to its power. Therefore, this equation we will get. Then we should take one example, that is the BaSO4. It dissociates into Ba2 plus SO4 2 minus. Then what is the solubility product of this reaction? The solubility product is equal to Ba raised to 2 plus and SO4 2 minus. लक्षात तुमच्या या ठिकाणी Ba 2 plus this is the ions 2 plus लक्षात 2 minus. Then here another example CaF2 काय या ठिकाणी it dissociated into Ca2 plus 2F minus ions. Then Ksp is equal to concentration of Ca2 plus into concentration of F minus to the power 2. म्हणजे हा जो कोएफिशिएंट आहे goes to its power. जो कोएफिशिएंट आहे तो पॉवरला जातो या ठिकाणी. Here is no any power. Therefore here this 2 power goes to its this is the coefficient. Coefficient goes to its power. Therefore this 2 is the power of this, that is F minus, and therefore Ksp is equal to concentration of Ca2 plus into concentration of F minus to the power 2. Then third example, Bi2S3, it dissociated into 2Bi raised to 3 plus Bi3 plus 3S2 minus. Therefore Ksp is equal to Bi3 plus to the power 2 and S2 minus to the power 3. That means what? This 2 is the coefficient and this 3 is also coefficient. This 2 coefficient goes to its power and this coefficient 3 coefficient. This is the coefficient for the S. This is 3 and 3 coefficient goes to its power. And therefore the solubility product we get solubility product of this chemical reaction is a equilibrium reaction is Ksp is equal to Bi3 plus to the power 2 and S2 minus to the power 3. Then molar solubility. The number of moles of compound that dissolves to give 1 liter of saturated solution is called molar solubility. Big mark साठी definition येऊ शकते. Define molar solubility. The number of moles of compound that dissolves to give 1 liter of saturated solution is called molar solubility. Then molar solubility is expressed in moles per liter and it is equals to the solubility in grams per liter upon molar mass in grams per mole. And therefore the solubility product is equal to Ksp and solubility is equal to S. Solubility product is denoted by Ksp and solubility is denoted by Es. Therefore, we consider the solubility equilibrium for BxAy. Here again one example similar with that solubility product. BxAy, it dissociate into Xb raised to y plus ya raised to x minus, and therefore Ksp is equal to concentration of b raised to y plus to the power x and in concentration of a raised to x minus to the power y. And therefore here S is the molar solubility. S is the molar solubility. Essentially molar solubility. Ksp is the solubility product. The equilibrium concentration of the ions in the saturated solution will be suppose here b raised to y plus to the power x is equal to x s mole of x s mole per liter, x s mole per liter, and concentration of a raised to x minus to the power y is equal to x s mole per liter. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी b raised to y प्लस याची किंमत किती आहे x s मोल पर लिटर आणि a raised to x minus ची किंमत किती आहे x s मोल पर लिटर. आता पाठ करा, मग त्याची सॉल्युबिलिटी काय होणार आहे? सॉल्युबिलिटी म्हणजे काय? Ksp equal to b raised to y plus and a raised to x minus, and therefore here we substitute the value of this b raised to y plus and a raised to x minus, then we get Ksp is equal to x s to the power x and y s to the power y. लक्षात तुमच्या? म्हणजे या ठिकाणी x बघा xs आणि त्याचा काय झाला by ची किंमत किती आहे xs आणि त्याची पॉवर काय आहे x. नंतर ax मायनस ची किंमत किती आहे ys. सॉरी ax मायनस y म्हणजे a रेस टू x मायनस ची किंमत काय आहे या ठिकाणी ys बघा ys आहे. लक्षात तुमच्या? या ठिकाणी हा ys पाहिजे या ठिकाणी. and therefore here Ksp is equal to x s to the power x and y कोणाची किंमत आहे a to the x power a raised to x minus ची किंमत काय y s to the power y and therefore here पहा काय ठेवलं आता हा एक x आला x raised to x raised to x y raised to y raised to y here s आणि s दोन्हीचे एक कॉमन निघाला s आणि त्याला काय कोएफिशिएंट वरती पॉवर x आणि y therefore here x plus y लक्षात तुमच्या म्हणजे a raised to m into n that is equal to a raised to m plus n and therefore s is equal to x plus y म्हणजे x raised to power x y raised to power y and s raised to power x plus y therefore this is the equation for determination of KSP आता पहा एक्झाम्पल इथे या ठिकाणी दिले आपण त्यांनी calculate the solidity product according to this equation formula AgBr dissociated to Ag plus plus Br negative आता याचे आयन्स कोणते आले Ag प्लस आणि Br मायनस आले आणि मग या ठिकाणी x ची किंमत काय आहे Ag प्लस म्हणजे हा x आला आणि Bry म्हणजे Br मायनस म्हणजे काय आला हा y आला याच्यावरती किती आयन्स आहेत याला कोएफिशिएंट काय आहे एकच आहे म्हणून या ठिकाणी 1 आला याला कोएफिशिएंट एकच आहे म्हणून या ठिकाणी 1 आला म्हणून या ठिकाणी काय सांगितले आणि या ठिकाणी काय टाइम्स आहे एकच आहे आणि या ठिकाणी आयन्स किती 1 आहे 1 आहे म्हणून KSP = 1 raised to 1 आणि Br चा काय आहे y म्हणजे किंमत किती व्हायची 1 आहे 1 raised to 1 आणि s म्हणजे या ठिकाणी Ag आणि Br हा कॉमन s निघाला आणि याचा 1 आणि याचा 1 therefore s raised to 1 plus 1 आणि मग काय आलं या ठिकाणी 1 गुणिले 1 त्याची एकच किंमत आली आणि s चं काय आलं 1 plus 1 that is equal to 2 therefore 1s2 that is equal to s2 लक्षात तुमच्या म्हणून solubility product of AgBr is s square म्हणजे HES s square. Similarly, other example PbI2 dissociate into Pb2 plus 2i minus. याची किंमत काय आली x is equal to 1 आला आणि याचा कोएफिशिएंट किती 2 आहे म्हणून y is equal to 2 आला आणि KSP is equal to 1 raised to 1 आणि या ठिकाणी 2 आहे आणि 2 आहे त्यामुळे y ची किंमत काय आहे त्या ठिकाणी y ची किंमत y raised to y ची किंमत ऑलरेडी 2 आहे आणि त्याचा पॉवर सुद्धा काय आहे 2 म्हणून 2 raised to 2 आणि मग या ठिकाणी s ची किंमत काय पुन्हा या ठिकाणी s x ची किंमत 1 y ची किंमत 2 म्हणून x 1 plus 2 मग या ठिकाणी 1 आणि याचा 2 चा स्क्वेअर किती येणार आहे 4 into 1 4 into s 4s आणि 2 plus 1 3 म्हणून 4s cube therefore KSP is equal to 4s cube. Then third one AlOH thrice it dissociate into Al3 plus thrice of OH minus. What is the value of x that means this one x there is no coefficient but here we can imagine the coefficient of Al is 1 therefore x is equal to 1 and here coefficient is 3 therefore y is equal to 3 then what is the value of KSP is equal to x value of x is 1 and y is 3 into 3 therefore 3 into 3 3 are किती आले 27 and therefore here 27 into 1 that is equal to 27 and s into s raised to 3 plus 1 that is equal to 4 therefore 27 s to the power 4 therefore KSP is equal to 27 s to the power 4 this is the value of KSP. Okay, in this way we have completed this topic. Thanks for watching.